All right, this is the 2018 Lexus IS 300. It's got the delete muffler. I didn't delete the reservoirs yet. I didn't know how loud it was gonna be, but yeah, I don't got the actual video of them being stock, so you're gonna have to listen to a stock video and then come back and watch these. So I'm gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. Hopefully y'all can kind of see it. I really got nothing to hang on something, so put it like right here. Kind of point in the air, but reservoirs deleted. Just the delete muffler. And this is what it sounds like from the inside. I have to do a video with this in motion where you can hear the turbo and everything, but yeah, that's all I got done so far. It's just the delete muffler system. So I'll come back with updates. Subscribe, like the video, and see you with the updates.